Hey guys, Ringler here. I want to share with you if you fish a lot of jigs, okay? If you fish a lot of jigs, this jig right here is one of my favorites, okay? This is called a Omega Baby J. It's a little football finesse jig, okay? There's a lot of things that I really like about this. But I want to show you when you're fishing rock, okay? Specifically rock. What I do is these heads are always, they come painted. Okay, what I do is I rub either with sandpaper or a file. I will rub this head down. Okay, I'll rub that head right down a little bit. It doesn't have to be all the way off. You just have to get it started, and what the rocks will end up taking a lot of it off. Okay, now what this does is that that paint, okay, is rubbery. That paint. So when you hit a rock, you're not going to be able to. This is what it does. It blunts the sensitivity. Okay. If you when you do this, you're down to bare lead. That lead, when it hits the rock, is going to do two things for you. Okay. Number one, it's going to bang it louder, so it's going to get more of a reaction from the bass. Number two, because you don't have that rubber coating on there, you're going to feel the rock more. You're going to have more sensitivity. It's almost like you're changing it from a lead head to a tungsten head. You're just increasing the sensitivity. All right, guys. Be sure for other tips, especially when it comes to jigs and crayfish, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.